As you can see, you have the Forest Tribe, the Earth Tribe, and here you have a member of the Air Tribe, Steelbeak. Now, the battle begins here, of the forest and the air. The air. As Steelbeak flies into action, attack. Attack is granted. And then he tries to rip apart their cabin, such thing. Flies in. Too powerful for you now. Enough flowers for you. As Steelbeak notices, there's also the Earth. Smashed. Steelbeak rolls back into action in the tunnel and out behind. Still trying to find his way out. He gets it. Out he goes. Knocks him back in. Back to the Forest Tribe he goes. Boom. Flying back. Confusion is raged everywhere. Nobody knows what is happening. Earth thinks they could finish everything off. As they notice that the battle is also raging with the Forest Tribe, they go out into action. You've had way too many flower quarters. Crush. Now, to finish off Steelbeak. Bam! Flying off he goes. Now it's up to him. Another mount. Gets up and attacks. Lifting him up and carrying him down. As he's stuck. It is awfully strange to be stuck in your own tunnel. Yes, as thinking they are in victory. Nowhere near. As he goes to help him out of the tunnel, he also thinks he's in as happy and as fell back. They start to notice and think about themselves. Steelbeak gets woke up, wakes up, grabs him again, tops him off. No more of him anymore. He's well finished. Finish him off. Smashed again. Oh, hate that little bird. Hate all birds. Stuck and defeated. Steelbeak still has 3 down, 1 to go. Starting this battle, he realizes he has to finish it. Lifting up a giant stick, crushing him, and falls back into the steeple. Defeated by the one and only Steelbeak. Flying off with victory.